You're planning to start a clothing brand this 2026, you need to hear this. Maraming mga tao ang gusto magsimula ng clothing brand nila. Pero after a few weeks, nandiyan na yung burnout, no sales, and no direction. Here's the truth. Starting a brand means understanding the fit, materials, fabric, sizing, production, marketing, and customer service all at the same time. But karaniwan sa mga startup brands, skip those parts. No tech pack, no costing, and no clear target market. Kaya kapag nag-release sila ng first collection, nandyan yung puro problema, delays, and the worst part, nalulugi. But here's the good news. If you take the time to learn the manufacturing basics, build systems, and focus on one product first, you'll be way ahead of 90% of starters. Starting a brand is not easy. Mahirap to. But if you do it right, it's one of the most rewarding things you'll ever build. Kaya naman,